Hey everyone, this is a 1999 Buick Lesabre. I want to show you today how to just change out your air filter in your car. Can definitely help with performance issues. If that can be a great first place to start. It's great maintenance even if that isn't the issue, but it's very simple to get to, and so if that's the only issue, then you don't have to worry about taking apart the rest of your engine or bringing it to someone for them to do it. So in this vehicle, what you're gonna have to do is just take off with a flathead screwdriver that bolt, or even screw I should say, that screw, and then there is a flathead clamp here that you're just gonna take, or just loosen that clamp, and this will pop off right here off of the housing for it, and then you'll just be able to pull this piece up and out. You don't need to take this piece out. It's bolted onto the frame right here with two bolts. You're just gonna need to take out these two, take this piece out, and then the filter really just sits in there. So you're just gonna take it out. You can whack it against the car, clean it out. If it's not horrible, or if it is, I encourage you to change it. Make sure there's no large pieces of leaves, grass, or anything in there. I even just wiped out the dirty inside with a paper towel. After years of driving it, it can get pretty bad, but I encourage you guys to try to do this job on your own. It's super easy, and a lot of times you go in for oil change and they'll do it for you, but you can get like one of these for like between 10 and 15 bucks at Walmart for a new air filter, and it's so simple. You just take off those two, pop in a new one, and your car could be running better just from that. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, but hope that helps someone out.